Start, anak, start.
Exploring the world of mathematics.
Mathematics.
It's a series of workbooks for preschool. It is designed to simulate the child's interest in basic mathematical concepts and skills, development of ideas, ability to think magically and solve mathematical problems they encounter in their daily life. This book has the following distinct features. Most of the activities are child-centered. The illustration, layout and design of the book were carefully selected to become more appealing to the children. Each lesson starts with a meaningful background of the concept, followed by a variety of activities that develop the children's mathematical skills at the same time their motor skills like coloring, practice, tracing, and writing.
Wow, next.
All the lessons are arranged in the sequence from simple to complex and are all related to each other for learning continuity. Most of the activities are classroom tested and are based on the experiences of the children in the local setting.
Good job.